Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidyasagar Mugi. Today we'll continue with the quantity calculation of soak pit. In the first part, I discussed about quantity calculation related to earthwork in excavation. I told how we divided this excavation in two parts, that is up to 3 meter depth and the lower portion, and also have discussed what is the reason. And next quantity was second class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in soak pit. So again here upper portion and lower portion. So the reason for differentiating these I have already told in the first part. If you haven't gone through the first part, please have a look at that. Then second class dry brickwork in soak pit, how we got this, and I have also told you where to take the area and where to take the perimeter, right? So the difference I have told you, why it is pi by 4 and 2 d square here and why it is pi into d here, right? So similarly, moving on to the next quantity. So in the first part I have discussed these three quantities. So now I'll take up the next quantity, that is precast RC work, and that is a roof cover slab of soak pit. Now the roof cover slab of soak pit, if you have a look here, so roof cover slab, this is ground level. So roof cover slab for soak pit is given as 7.5 centimeter RCC slab, right? 7.5 centimeter RCC slab, we are supposed to consider it till what? Up till this rectangular portion, like I'll show you here. So this is the soak pit walls provided like this, and over this we have the RCC slab, and this portion is given a finishing here like this. So for quantity calculation we are only going to consider this shaded part. Now we know that this is 100 and this is 20 and this is 20. So what will be the length for this? So this will be 120 plus 100 plus 20, 140, that is 1.4 meter. You can see here 20 plus 100 plus 20, right? I'll show you once again. So 20 plus 100 plus 20, this is the RCC slab. Now this RCC slab I have calculated it. So roof cover slab of soak pit is 1 into what will be the area of that? So it is circular in shape, so pi d square by 4 will be the area, and if you multiply that with the thickness you will get the volume of concrete. So roof cover slab of soak pit is pi by 4 into d square into the thickness of the slab, which is given as 7.5 centimeters. So quantity is 0.115. Right, moving on to next. Next comes 50 mm size brick aggregates. Now where are these 50 mm size brick aggregates? So he has mentioned here, these are the brick aggregates. So these are the brick aggregates and these are the brick aggregates. Now you see the difference here. Now this brick aggregate, what you see here, this brick aggregate what you see here is circular in shape, means what? It is only occupying this amount of the volume, whereas it has no relation with this other part. So if you take out this and this, what will be this? This will be hollow like this. So it will be like this. It will be like this. Can you see this? Now I know what is the radius up till here. I need to calculate what is perimeter of this part now. What is the center line circumferential length I should calculate. Now how will I calculate that? So brick aggregate is here, this part. So 100 plus 20 plus 20, this is 140. So we got this. So this is 140 plus 15 by 2, 15 by 2. So what we'll get? So remark for this, I'll write it here in the remark. So into it is 0.15 by 2 plus 20 plus 100 plus 20 plus 0.15 by 2. So add all this, you will get, this is 140 plus 15, so 1.55. So this we have taken the circumferential length, right? So this has been taken as the circumferential length. So this is pi into 1.55. I have told you the reason. What is the reason? Because it is provided only at this part, so it is taken as pi into 1.55. What is the thickness of that? It is 0.15. And what is the height? Height you see here, it is 250 centimeter, which is 2.5 meter. So pi into 1.55 into thickness into 2.5, you will get the quantity. Similarly, the same brick aggregates are provided at the bottom of the soak pit. The bottom of the soak pit means where? It is provided here. Now bottom of the soak pit means, if you see it from the top, it is occupying this area. It is occupying this area, complete area, right? So whatever the red portion you see, it is occupying that complete area. Now that complete area, how will you find out? For that, you have to take, it is laid here, bottom. So for that, you have to take what? Area into depth. You have to calculate the area into depth. Now what will be the area for that? So this part is 100, right? So 100, and we'll take some bearing so that it is embedded brick aggregates. So it will take so 100 plus I have added this 0.01. So I have taken 55 mm bearing on both sides, so it will be 1.01 square. So since we are calculating at this part where it is occupying complete area, so it will be what? Pi into d square by 4 into what is the thickness? Thickness is given here, it is 20 centimeter. So it is pi d square by 4 into thickness. So we get the volume of this. So this is the total quantity for 50 mm size brick aggregates. So it is 2 meter cube. Okay, moving on to the next quantity. So next quantity is coarse sand outer side of the soak pit. Now where is coarse sand provided? If you see here from this figure, this outer portion is provided with the coarse sand. He has given here, see here, 15 centimeter coarse sand. Now again, where it is provided? It is provided only along the circumference. Now to calculate that, I should know what is the center to center length of this part. I should know what is the center to center length of this part. Now how will I calculate that? Start from this side. 100 plus, up till here I know it is 140. Then add 15 here, 15 here. So 140 plus 30, 170. 170 plus 15 by 2. 15 by 2 means what? We have to add 1. 15. So 170 plus 15 is how much? 185. So 185 centimeter is 1.85 meter. Now again it is provided in the circumference. So it is not occupying the complete volume. It is only occupying this part of the volume. So circumferential length is what? Pi into 1.85. Pi into 1.85 is the center to center length. Into thickness, if I multiply, it is 0.15. And what is the height? It is same as the brick aggregate. See here, this is the same height as brick aggregate. This is the total height. So that height is what? 250 centimeters. So I have taken here 2.5 meters. So total quantity will come as 2.18. So these are the quantities which are involved in calculating the soak pit. Once again I will revise. So first quantity is earthwork in excavation, 2 depths, that is here from ground level till here it is 250 plus 50, 300, that is 3 meter, and remaining portion. We have 2 different diameters, so we are divided into 2. Soak pit up to 3 meter depth, soak pit lower portion. Then second class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar, upper portion, lower portion. Second class dry brick in soak pit, you have to calculate this. Precast slab work, 50 mm size brick aggregate, and coarse sand outer side of the soak pit. So these are the quantities of soak pit. Hope you are clear with this part. If you are having any doubts, please feel free to ask. And also please like my page, subscribe and share with your friends, and please do write in the comments if you have any suggestion regarding the page and help me improve my page. Thank you very much.